Hello children, welcome back. Today in history I am going to start chapter number 16, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was also a great fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, okay? He also fought for our freedom. Now come to the book. When Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23rd, 1897 in Cuttack, India was under British rule. So when Subhash Chandra Bose was born, India was under British rule. Okay. And we all celebrate Netaji's birthday, isn't it? On 23rd January every year. Now, the British united almost the whole of India under one strong rule. They introduced many changes in administration. Their most important contribution was the introduction of the English language. So, when the British ruled India, they changes many things, isn't it? Their most important changes was languages. They made the English as the compulsory language. Okay. Now, during British rule, all the top government posts were given to the British. They lived lavishly in the best houses and spent money often by exploiting the Indians recklessly. There were clubs where only Englishmen were allowed. So, all the topmost posts of government were occupied, were booked for Britishers, isn't it? Means सभी जो भी पोस्ट थे हाई अथॉरिटी वाले वो सभी जो है ब्रिटिश लोग ऑक्यूपाई किया करते थे एंड दे यूज टू लिव हैप्पीली लग्जरियसली इजंट इट बाय एक्सप्लॉइटिंग इंडियाज ट्रेजरी द क्लब्स वर आल्सो made for Europeans. No Indians were allowed to enter in that. Now, raw materials like cotton were sent to England for the manufactures of textiles. Now, raw materials are sent from India to England to make it a finished product, isn't it? When it reaches India, it becomes very expensive. जब वो product England से बनकर return आता है India, then it becomes very expensive. India had to buy expensive foreign goods as factories were not set up in the country because India में factory नहीं थे तो इसी कारण क्या होता था कि raw material India से इंग्लैंड जाया करता था and they used to made it in a finished product and charges very high for that. If the people complained or protested, they were punished severely. So whenever people protest or complained against that type of product, they were punished. Subhash Chandra Bose's father, Janakinath, was a famous lawyer. Subhash spent the first 16 years of his life in Orissa. So Subhash's father was a famous lawyer and Subhash stayed 16 years. Means the beginning 16 years he stayed in Orissa. Now, Subhash and his brothers attended a missionary school in Cuttack. Means they had their primary teachings in Cuttack only. Here the only languages taught were English and Latin. So the main languages were English and Latin. At the age of 12, he joined the Ravenshaw Collegiate School and learned Bengali. So at 12, he learnt Bengali in Ravenshaw Collegiate School. The headmaster of the school was Bemi Madhav Das. He was a staunch nationalist. He taught children to realize that they were under a foreign rule. So, जो हेडमास्टर थे बेनी माधव दास वो बहुत ही staunch nationalist थे and he used to teach children that we are under foreign rule, we are under British rule. After passing the matriculation examination, matriculation is class 10. After passing that, Subhash Chandra Bose came to Calcutta and joined the Presidency College, isn't it? So, after passing class 10, he came to Calcutta to join in the Presidency College. Here he got a test of the unfair treatment of the foreign rulers. So, when he come to Calcutta, he got to know how the rulers are treating Indians, isn't it? So, let's stop till here. We will learn the next thing in the next class. Thank you.